Have you ever stared at a blank page, wondering how to turn your ideas into a coherent and convincing essay? It is a common challenge, but with the right approach, organizing your thoughts can become a clear and manageable process. To write a well-organized essay, you need a clear structure that guides both you and your reader through your argument effortlessly. This typically involves a compelling introduction, several focused body paragraphs, and a strong conclusion. This systematic approach is crucial because it transforms a jumble of ideas into a persuasive narrative. Each section serves a specific purpose, building your argument step by step, which helps your reader follow your logic without getting lost. Think of it as laying a roadmap for your ideas, making the journey much smoother for anyone reading your work. Let us dive into the practical steps for creating this structure. First, your introduction needs a captivating hook to grab attention, some necessary background information for context, and most importantly, a clear thesis statement. This thesis statement is the backbone of your entire essay, succinctly stating your main argument. Next, dedicate each body paragraph to a single main point that supports your thesis. Start each paragraph with a clear topic sentence, which acts like a mini thesis for that specific paragraph. Follow this with evidence and detailed explanation, using examples or data to bolster your claim. Always conclude the paragraph by linking back to your main thesis or transitioning to the next point, ensuring a smooth flow of ideas. Finally, your conclusion should effectively tie everything together. Begin by restating your thesis in new words, summarizing your main arguments without introducing any new information. Then, offer a final thought or a broader implication of your discussion, leaving the reader with something to ponder. This provides a sense of closure and reinforces your essay's overall message. An expert tip is to create a detailed outline before you even start writing. This blueprint allows you to arrange your arguments logically, identify supporting evidence, and refine your thesis statement early in the process. This pre-writing step is incredibly powerful, helping you visualize the flow and ensure every piece of your essay serves its intended purpose. It saves significant revision time later. By mastering the art of outlining and adhering to this classic structure of introduction, body, and conclusion, you will consistently produce essays that are not only easy to read but also persuasive and impactful. Your ability to present complex ideas with such clarity will significantly enhance your academic performance and communication skills.